Welcome everyone to the best Facebook Meta business settings that you need to do on Facebook Meta business site that will help you manage and create ads, see how your ads are trending or posts are hot going on the internet. So without wasting my time, go to business.facebook.com. This is the interface, and on business or Facebook business, we are going to use our Facebook profile to log into the business site. So make sure you click on login and then fill in your details to log into the business site. If you log into the business site, this is how, or the interface of the business site. Come here, we have home. So if I click on home, it will take me through the dashboard of my page, and if I come to here, you see your notification, inbox, the content, and we have planner here. We have the ads means the kind of ads that you have created that is running on your account. So you see those ads here, and we have the inside talks about how your page is trending or how your posts are going on. So if I click on it, you can see how post is going on. If you click on more, give you much menu that you can choose from. If you want to create ads, you can choose it from here. So first of all, let's go to settings. If you come to settings, we have people here means you can add different groups of people or different kinds of people that you trust in to help you manage your business site. And we have the partners here. You can partner with different people. Let's come to the account, and we have a pages. Page means you can add different kind of pages. So this is my page. If you want to add a page, come to add, and then if you don't have a page, you can create a new page, or you can create an existing page, or request for page from a different people or different person or someone that wants you to manage his or her page. So if I click on here, I'll go in and type in the URL of the page or the page name, and then search for the page, confirm it, and then everything is done. And we have the ads account. Is an account that you use to run ads on your, this is my ads account. So if you don't have ads account, you can come to add account. We have create here or request a share. Because I've already created, cannot create a new one or claim existing, I will just request for a different one. So for the ads account, you can create only one ads account. Come to the Instagram account. Instagram account gives you the opportunity to link your Instagram account to your Facebook page manager to help you run ads on Facebook and Instagram. So if I haven't added an Instagram account or want to add Instagram account, you come to add and then enter your account's details here, and then click on what add account. And we have the WhatsApp. It's for WhatsApp business account. So if you don't have a WhatsApp business account, you cannot link your account to the Meta business. So make sure you have a WhatsApp business account to add account, and then you can create a WhatsApp account here or link your existing business account here. If I click on link, I just need to enter or choose the country and then enter the number of that WhatsApp account, and then I just click on add to confirm everything. If you click on domain here, you're going to verify website, come to add, and then you come to create a new domain, and then you enter your domain name here, that's your website address, and then you click on add. Gives you, because I've already added mine, that's why it has already verified. It gives you to link it to your website, and some of the code you can link it through the theme of the website, the header part of the website. The billing and payment sections is where you can add your payment address to the business manager account. And whilst you have done all these settings and you want to create ads, it make it simple and easy. And come to payment method here, click on it. So when you see it like this, you come to add payment method under here. So if you scroll down, you see add payment method, click on that one, and here is where you add your payment method. One thing I want to tell you is adding payment method to Facebook Ads Manager, don't use a PayPal account, because using a PayPal account can affect your ads in some ways, and many people use it, but the account has been banned. So for the best way, use a virtual card, a Visa or MasterCard for payment method. So choose the first one, that's debit and credit card. Click on next. This drop down menu is where you enter your card details. You enter your card details. So this the simple settings you can do on the Meta business site that will help you run ads or manage your business account on the Facebook Meta business. Our next video, I will show you how you can start managing it and how you can start creating content using the business manager settings. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe to this channel.